Hi, it's MOTOROLA and today I'll show you how to change widgets on the cover of Motorola Razr 70 Plus. So first, on the cover, unlock your phone, click and hold, then select the home screen. Now you can change right here the apps. For example, you can delete this one and put in the Google Chrome. Also, you can change the clock by clicking right here. You can change the font and also the color. That's it from I didn't save it. Right here you can save. That's pretty much it for a widgets right here. You can also go into the lock screen and do the same by changing the font of the clock. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.